Dear students, in the last section we have seen problems on divisibility test and problems on numbers. Today we will see HCF and LCM of numbers. So first of all we will see some important facts. First is factors and multiples. So what is factor and what is multiple? If a number a divides another number b exactly, then we call a is a factor of b, or b is called a multiple of a. Then next is highest common factor, greatest common measure, or greatest common divisor. So HCF of 2 or more than 2 number is the greatest number that divides each of them exactly. So HCF is the factor which divides the given number exactly. So there are two methods to finding out the HCF. First is factorization method and second is division method. Then least common multiple, the least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given number is called their LCM. Then multiple of a least multiple of a given number is called as the LCM. So there are two methods to find out the LCM, that is factorization method and second is common division methods. We will see these methods in the problems. Then next formula is product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Co-primes, two numbers are said to be co-prime if their HCF is 1. The two numbers are co-primes if their HCF is 1. Then HCF and LCM of fractions. HCF of fraction is equal to HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. LCM of fraction is equal to LCM of numerators and HCF of denominators. So these are the formulas for finding out the HCF and LCM. Now we will see the problems. First problem is find the HCF of 2 cube 3 square into 5 and 7 raised to 4. So this is the one number. Second number is 2 square 3 raised to 5 into 5 square into 7 raised to 6. This is the second number. And 2 cube 5 cube and 7 square, this is the third number. So how we will find? First of all we have to find the common prime numbers. So the common prime factors are 2, 5 and 7. 2 is having common in all three numbers, 5 is also common and 7 is also common. Okay, now we have to take the least power of the prime factor. So least power of 2 is 2 square, least power of 5 is 5 and of 7 is 7 square. So the HCF is 980. Okay, second example is find the HCF of 108, 288, 360. So here we can use the factorization method. So we have to divide these numbers. The factors of 108 is 2 square 3 cube, 288 is 2 raised to 5 3 square, 360 is 2 cube 5 into 3 square. Okay, so these are the factors. All of you know how we take the factors of the number. So we have to take the common prime numbers. Here the common numbers are 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay, so the least powers of 2 and 3 is 2 square and 3 square. So the HCF is 36. Okay, then the next method is division method. The example is find the HCF of 513, 1134, 1215. So first of all we have to find out the HCF of two numbers, any two numbers. So we will see 1215 and 1134. So we have to divide the larger number by smaller number. Okay. So the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 81. Now in the second step, this 81 is the new divisor and this 1134 is the new dividend. Okay. So here the quotient is 14 and the remainder is 0. Now the HCF of this 1134 and 1215 is 81. Okay. Now we will take the calculate the HCF of 81 and 513 by using the division method. So what we have to do, we have to divide this larger number by smaller number. So 513 divided by 81. Okay, so here the quotient is 6 and remainder is 27. Now this 27 is new divisor and this dividend this divisor becomes a new dividend. So here the remainder is 0. Hence 27 is the HCF of 513, 1134 and 1215. Okay. So HCF of given number is 27. Next is reduce 391 divided by 667 to lowest term. So what we have to do here, we have to find out the HCF. So HCF of these two numbers are 23. So if we divide this number by 23, then the lowest term is 17 by 29. So we will see how we calculate the LCM in the next section. Thank you so much.